What is up, mga Ripa Pips? Hey, Ripa Pip, talk. Hi. Anyways, she doesn't want to talk. We are going to Costco again today because the reason is I'm going to find lasagna there. I'm going to look for lasagna because this Saturday we are going to have a potluck with my fellow snowboarders, and I promised to bring lasagna. And I don't want to make lasagna by myself. I want to just buy the ready to cook lasagna. And I remembered that Costco has lasagna, so I just want to check if they have lasagna. And then what I'm gonna do is I will tell my friends that I made the lasagna, but they won't know that it is coming from Costco. So watch the video until the end and see if I successfully found lasagna in Costco. And I'm pretty sure that it's not only lasagna that we are going to find there. We would still be bringing a couple of stuff with us after finding the lasagna. All right, so we found one. This is the one that I was looking for. And yes, Costco is selling lasagna, and then one they are selling in 2 packs. So 1 pack is around 3 kilograms. Oh no, sorry. Um, 1 pack is 1.5 kilograms. So this lasagna is an Italian sausage and beef lasagna. So we've already tried this one before, and yes, it is delicious. And so I will include a video later on what does it really look like, and then how I am going to store this so that my friends wouldn't know that I bought this from what do you call this? I bought it from Costco, and then I'll tell them that I made it by myself. Just want to impress them. So we are going to eat this during our snowboarding this Saturday at Ski Martok. So I'm just gonna heat it. So take note, we are going to eat this outside in the middle of the cold temperature outside during lunch. So it's going to be a potluck. And yep, so yeah, so this is the lasagna, and video of this will be in the next clip. So this is what I did. So I just took out the plastic here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to transfer this one here in the glassware, and I am not going to heat it with the container here because I prefer it to heat and put it inside the oven, because of course we don't want any not so good chemicals to leach into the food. So right, so I'm just gonna put it here inside the oven, and then heat it maybe around an hour. We'll just have to turn this on and then put on bake, and then heat it maybe around 350 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. There you go. So here's the lasagna that we bought from Costco, and then I told them that I made the lasagna. But of course, it's I'm still honest, and then and this is the one that I baked this morning. It's kind of burnt at the top because I want it burnt on top of it because the cheese is kind of burnt. but for sure it's going to be delicious. And I told them that I made the lasagna, but in fact, you already know that I bought it from Costco. And yeah, so we're gonna share this one here. So this is what we did. So we were just doing a picnic here at Martok, and it's one way to keep your food costs low when it comes to snowboarding or skiing. Bring your own food and then just cook it and have a picnic with your friends.